Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my cousin and we'll be going out. I don't feel like wearing my wig today, even though she's telling me, Trish, you should wear that wig, you should wear that wig. I'm just going to carry my hair like that. Please just let me be my mbeke for the day. Anyways, I'm going to take you guys along. We're going out for lunch and we'll run some errands. So see you guys. Wear your glasses now. You look like headmistress.
Like I look like your mom.
My mom? Abby, say hi.
Hi guys.
Going out with somebody. See, fine girl.
Sharp, cracker, everything sharp, bra bra bra. DJ bring it back, you dark bada. Enakwana, enakeji, everything in marama. Kai with the cash for squander. Enakwana, enakeji, everything in marama. Kai with the cash for squander.
No matter what you cause.
Drop another one. Please, please, please. Why did I not get this on camera? Why am I not?
Looking at them like, why are they happy? I don't die, pa. You should be sad that you cannot hold your shit. Oh, this big class restaurant.
Yeah, I'm coming here next week.
Their food is nice. Like,
I'm speaking into existence.
They're coming when?
Next week.
Arithmetic, that is if you go hit. Check a conversate. Surely be mushy fresh, but like bada. With the ghetto sharp, cracker. Everything sharp, bra bra bra. DJ bring it back, you dark bada. Enakwana, enakeji, everything in marama. Kai with the cash for squander. Enakwana,